Hidden within the forested landscape of Desierto de los Leones on the outskirts of Mexico City, the Black Cabin is designed as a peaceful retreat immersed in nature. Although the city is only a short distance away, the surrounding trees create a quiet atmosphere where the architecture blends into the landscape instead of competing with it, making the forest the home's defining feature. Designed under a limited budget and a tight construction schedule, the architects focused on creating only the spaces essential for everyday living. The result is a compact 106 square meter cabin, where every room has a clear purpose, demonstrating how efficient planning can produce a comfortable home without unnecessary excess. The layout is organized into 3 interconnected volumes: private, semi-public, and public. This arrangement creates a natural sequence of movement while carefully balancing privacy, orientation, and views of the surrounding forest, allowing each space to connect with the landscape in a meaningful way. The private volume contains the main bedroom with its own dressing room and bathroom. The central semi-public volume houses the kitchen, guest bathroom, and laundry area, while also providing privacy from neighboring properties. The public volume opens into the living room and terrace, extending daily life toward the surrounding woodland. A key architectural feature is the cabin's elevated structure, raised about 60 centimeters above the ground. This simple solution protects the building from moisture, reduces heat loss from the cold forest floor, and allows rainwater to flow naturally beneath the house without affecting its foundation. Sustainability also influenced the construction system. A lightweight steel frame allowed faster assembly while remaining recyclable, while concrete was used only for the foundations and an eastern retaining wall. This approach reduced construction time and material use without sacrificing structural performance. The exterior is wrapped in black stained pine, helping the cabin visually merge with the forest while absorbing solar warmth. Inside, natural pine floors and ceilings create a warm atmosphere, balanced by white walls that brighten the compact spaces. Basalt stone finishes in the kitchen and bathrooms add durability and strengthen the home's connection to its natural surroundings. The design is completed by a green roof that improves insulation and visually extends the surrounding landscape. Together with generous windows that maximize natural light and passive ventilation, the black cabin shows how thoughtful design, efficient planning, and carefully selected materials can create a comfortable home that exists in harmony with nature.